Hi there, my name is Christian Gravener of Coolopolis. I'm here to talk about this interesting book that was recently published by a criminologist named Jean-Claude Bernheim, An Escadron de la Mort au Quebec, basically talking about Montreal police having a policy to shoot suspects down dead rather than arrest them in many occasions. So the title is called a death squad in Quebec, and of course that's a very controversial idea because the definition of death squad, does it actually apply to police arrest situations, somebody robbing a bank? Is that that is an entirely different debate, but it's certainly a provocative question that he raises, because the policy was quite clearly to shoot down criminals. I interviewed a police officer myself named Robert Menard, who was quite proud of having shot down several criminals in his day, and he's mentioned in the book, as are these guys. So there's a lot of information taken mostly from the Allo Police, Photo Police. Menard, when I spoke to him, he told me straight out, he said, look, it costs 16 cents to shoot a bullet into a criminal and kill him, and it costs about 60,000 a year to put him in jail. So there was definitely a policy. It would have been more interesting if Bernheim had spoken to a lot more police officers. He definitely mentions them and chronicles a lot of examples. Bernheim has a reputation of being a defender of those who are in the criminal milieu, and he does a good job at it. I have a lot of respect for him. He shows this point of view that the criminals themselves believed that the police were after them, and there was to some degree some justification, as he shows in this book, for that point of view. And it was a very scary time, and I think we should be happy that we're living in more peaceful times. So I would recommend this book. There's a few little things that quibbles with it. I didn't read it that closely as well, but it's definitely a book that is food for thought and is a great history of crime in Quebec.